Hi, I'm Kylie, and this is my mom, and you're watching
Cooking with Kylie. Today we are making kid-friendly strawberry watermelon margaritas. The ingredients you'll need are
a half a lime, watermelon slices, strawberry watermelon ice cubes, agave syrup, triple sec, watermelon juice, and green sugar.
Now we're going to add the lime to the rim of our glasses. Now we're going to add the ice cubes to our glasses.
Now we're going to add our watermelon juice.
Now we're going to add our agave syrup and triple sec to our glasses.
Now I'm going to add our watermelon pieces. Now we're going to try a kid-friendly margarita. I'll make this episode of
Cooking with Kylie. Don't forget to
like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you know when at the same time posting a video. And hope you try this at home.
Bye.